Guys, what's up? So today we are going to be building a subwoofer speaker box. Let's see if I don't hit the house. Shit. Me and a friend, Adam. It's actually his box. He's gonna be building a box. He's ordered some new subs, and he's going to be building it for his car. So I'm on my way over there now to go pick him up, and then probably go buy the wood, and then we'll go over down to his house and build the box. So yeah, so that's where we're going. I'm gonna turn the scanner on. That's a good weed. Yep. I gotta make some cuts here. So let me stand this one up right here, and that way. You know, that one's garbage there. Shit, once you got them, excite me.
We're gonna have to go to Weezer and go steal the car.
Oh, that's right.
She's gonna have it at work.
Yeah. Guys, so today we're gonna be doing some stereo equipment stuff. We're gonna be running some power wire on one of my friends' car. I'm on my way actually to his house, so we're gonna try to get that done pretty early. I'm hoping to get it done before noon. And yeah, we'll run that wire, get some good video. His box is freaking heavier than heavy, man. Like, right through here. Let's see. So you get, oh, but you still gotta leave enough slack for the curves, right?
Yeah, that's what.
I just need a little long. Tell me when if I'm going too fast. So we just pulled all that wire through right there. Let's see what we got now. To your left. On your left, right. Yep, go back right there.
right there. Fucking last time we did this, it was hot as fuck. Cause we drove it over to his buddy's.
Oh, underneath was hot.
Yeah.
Eee.
It was fucking. We drove over to his buddy's shop and he had a car lift.
Oh
Cause
shit.
it was an actual mechanic shop.
Uh huh.
Fuck it. I touched that muffler.
Melting hot.
Yeah.
So, kind of sucks because my battery died again. Crappy, so I didn't get too much of the audio stuff recorded. So I will try to get more footage of it here pretty quick. Carlos has football practice, so I'm gonna do that. It's supposed to snow tonight. Look at me, I'm all bundled up. So yeah, we'll